Boss HM2, even a hotter topic than usual lately, what with the new Wazacraft version announced. So I thought I might make a little video comparing the Boss HM2 to another pedal I have in my collection, this thing called a DAPHON Heavy Metal. Now there's a lot of different clones of the HM2 out there. There's boutique ones that were made recently, what with the whole resurgence of interest in the pedal. But there's also ones that have been around a lot longer, which were just straight up budget clones, like the Behringer, for instance, a couple others. And this is one of them. Now you might be saying, how could that possibly be if there's only 3 knobs? I mean, pretty basic feature right there, knobs for 3. Well, actually there is a 4th control in this pedal. It's inside. So you've got here level, tone, and distortion controls. These controls coincide with the level, high color mix, and distortion control. The low color mix is on the circuit board. It's a trim pot, so you basically have to open up the pedal, set it, and forget it. And I can't confirm this, but other than the location of that control, they say that this pedal is a clone. And it does sound pretty close, I gotta say. So, okay, I'm gonna do the comparison. We'll start off with the HM2. It sounds like this. That's with all the controls maxed, because obviously that's what you do. Okay, now here's the DAPHON. All the controls are maxed again. I'll just do a quick back-to-back. So here's the DAPHON. Boss. Okay, so the impression I'm getting is that the Boss is a bit more full-bodied. Whereas the DAPHON would be thinner, I suppose you could say. A bit more mid-range, going on the heavy metal, like more balanced. And the DAPHON has like this kind of notch to it. Like if I palm mute, you can hear like a harmonic coming out. Difference actually, but they still do the same thing, right? I'm thinking maybe the tone control or the high color mix knob might be a bit more wide range on this pedal. Like maybe if I turn it back, I can get more of the HM2 sound. So now it's almost maxed. Compare that to the Boss. That's definitely closer. So yeah, that's my theory, that the tone knob seems to be more wide-ranging on this pedal. There it is maxed again. It's almost like this one's got more buzzsaw.